the South is rare, but when it touches Southeastern Louisiana University, it creates memories that last a lifetime. These rare moments remind us of the magic in the unexpected, the beauty in our campus, and the memories we share as a Lion family. The campus blanketed in white provides the perfect backdrop for Lion pride. These moments remind us of the simple joys snow brings to our busy lives. Though winters here are green, not white, our hearts still yearn for snow's delight. A fleeting wish where warm winds blow, to see Southeastern in a blanket of snow. Here's to cherishing the snowy days of the past and hoping for more in the future.